வணக்கம். வினோத் சப்ஸ்கிரைபர் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் வந்து கோபி. மை நேம் இஸ் கோபி. இன் சைனீஸ் ஆல்சோ த நேம் இஸ் கோபி. வணக்கம், நமஸ்தே, நீ ஹாவ்.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. హే హాయ్ హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. ఎలా ఉన్నారు? నేను మీ వినోద్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, యాక్చువల్లీ ఈరోజు వీడియోలో మా ఫ్రెండ్ వచ్చారనమాట, గోపి. అతను స్పెషాలిటీ ఏంటంటే తెలుసు ఫ్రెండ్స్, యాక్చువల్లీ హీఈస్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ ఇన్ చైనా లైక్ ఎనీథింగ్ అనమాట. ఈజ్ టోటలీ చైనీస్ నౌ. ఎందుకంటే ఆయనకి మీకు తెలిసినంత వరకు యూఎస్లో యూకేలో కానీ గ్రీన్ కార్డ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అనేది ఉంటుంది కదా, ఈవెన్ చైనాలో కూడా కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది. కానీ బట్ వెరీ 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 రేర్ అండ్ లిమిటెడ్ పీపుల్కి యాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చారనమాట. అండ్ యాజ్ పర్ మై నాలెడ్జ్, నాకు తెలిసిన ఇండియన్ అతను బార్న్ అయిన ఇండియన్, ఆయన ఒక్కనికి ఈ కార్డు ఉంది ఇక్కడ చైనాలో. మనకి లాస్ట్ టైం రోషన్ బ్రదర్ మీరు కలిసారు కదా, లాస్ట్ టైం వీడియోలో చేశాను. ఆయన హీస్ ఫ్రమ్ నేపాల్, సో ఆయనకు కూడా కార్డు ఉంది. కానీ ఇండియన్కి మాత్రం ఈయన ఒక్కతనికే ఉంది కార్డు. కాబట్టి హీఈస్ ఎ పర్మనెంట్ సిటిజన్ ఆఫ్ చైనా అనమాట. సో హీ డి నాట్ టు వెరీ అబౌట్ దట్. ఇన్ కేస్ ఇండియాకి వెళ్ళాలి అది అంటే ఏం ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు ఆయనకి. హీఈస్ ఎ ఫ్రీ త్రూ వే ఉంటుంది. ఈవెన్ ఆయనకి వీసా కూడా అవసరం లేదు అతనికి ఈజీగా. సో హీ కెన్ యాక్సెస్ టు కంట్రీస్. హీ కెన్ గో టు హాంకాంగ్, హీ కెన్ గో టు మకావ్. ఏషియన్ కంట్రీస్కి ఈజీగా యాక్సెస్ అవ్వడానికి అవసరం ఉంటుంది, ఎందుకంటే ఆయనకి ఆ పర్టికులర్ చైనీస్ గ్రీన్ కార్డ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి. సో ఓకే, ఆయనతో ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేద్దాం. ఆయన 20 years అబౌవ్ నుంచి ఇక్కడ చైనాలో ఉంటున్నారు. ఆయన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏంటి, చైనా గురించి ఆయన పర్ఫెక్ట్గా చెప్తారు మనకన్నా. బట్ హీఈస్ ఓన్లీ కంఫర్టబుల్ విత్ ఇంగ్లీష్. హీ కెనాట్ స్పీక్ తెలుగు అండ్ హీఈస్ ఓకే విత్ తమిళ్ అనమాట. సో హోప్ఫుల్లీ మనం గోపి గారితో మాట్లాడదాం. ఆయన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏం సంగతో మొత్తం ఆయన అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, లెట్స్ గో.
హాయ్ వినోద్, దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ చైనీస్ dumpling. It is a very good breakfast for the morning because the outside is too cold. In India they are telling momo, yeah, but it's real momo from China. Thank you for your all help.
So what is it's made of?
It made of with chicken and same like momo.
Okay.
But here they used soya sauce and chili sauce to eat.
Okay.
It is not like India with curry sauce.
Okay.
That is the difference between China and India.
Okay.
The real momo from China for Vinod.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, please. ఓకే అండి, చూసారుగా మన గోపి గారు తింటున్నారు అన్నమాట. సో దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ మోమోస్. ఇప్పుడు గోపి గారు ఆర్డర్ పెట్టారు. యాక్చువల్లీ గోపి గారికి చెప్పాను కదా ఆల్రెడీ వీడియోలో, చాలా రెస్టారెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. యూబులో కూడా వన్ ఆఫ్ ద రెస్టారెంట్ అన్నమాట. ఇది గోపి గారిది. మార్నింగ్ కాల్ చేసి స్పెషల్గా మన గురించి తెప్పించారు. సో అది మన గురించి చేయించాడు. ఇది వచ్చేసి మన పార్సల్, ఇది వచ్చేసి గోపి గారి పార్సల్. మనము ఈ ఫ్యూచర్లో డెఫినెట్లీ మన గోపి గారి రెస్టారెంట్ కూడా కవర్ చేద్దాం. ఇంటర్వ్యూలో చెప్పినట్టు గోపి గారు అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ మనకు చెప్పారు కదా. సో హోప్ఫుల్లీ ఇప్పుడు బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ అయితే చేస్తున్నాము, దాని తర్వాత లంచ్. ఓకే అండి, గోపి గారు మనతో ఉన్నారు. హలో గోపి గారు.
வணக்கம். வினோத் சப்ஸ்கிரைபர் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் வந்து கோபி. மை நேம் இஸ் கோபி. இன் சைனீஸ் ஆல்சோ த நேம் இஸ் கோபி. வணக்கம், நமஸ்தே, நீ ஹாவ்.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
So I am living in China from 97. So almost 25 years. So I know Mr. Vinod Garu is very good friend, and I enjoyed a lot with him for last 2-3 days staying together with him.
Okay.
Staying together with him. He is really very good personality person.
Thank you, Gopi Garu. Actually, Gopi Garu, can you tell what exactly you do in China? What are your businesses?
Actually, my businesses, if I explain, it's too long. I always tell everybody,
Yeah.
I am the bridge to China.
Yeah.
So you can do business like bicycle to the big truck like that. So any business can do in China.
Okay.
I am only the bridge
Okay.
to India to China.
Okay.
Particularly Tamil Nadu with China. So a lot of business I am doing.
Okay.
In this style. So business wise trading is main important. Trade fair organizing. So it's depend upon the cycle or truck. That is the different. So doing almost 4-5 kind of different businesses.
Okay. So even you run restaurants also, right? Indian Grand Restaurant, is that right?
Yes. We are running an Indian Grand Restaurant in Venjol.
Okay.
Uh, because China food is very important for us. We need food, so always any country Indians goes, they start with food. That is the basic thing. So we have restaurants in China. So
Okay.
I have owned my own restaurant in Wenzhou.
Oh, great. Gopi Garu, can you please tell me what do you think Chinese? How they treat Indians?
Uh, I am very simple to tell. If you know the language, there is no difference between any country and anything.
Okay.
So if I speak Telugu to you all guys, you never feel I am from other place or something. So language is very most important. So when you speak the language, they never feel.
Okay.
And I am also not getting any area of India, China, this thing. I told a lot of interviews also like this. But if you know the language, you are the part of them. So
Okay.
language is basic important.
Okay.
So I can speak Cantonese and also the Mandarin. So my wife is Chinese, and I have two kids.
Okay.
My eldest son is almost 16 years old. The second kid is almost 6 years old.
Okay.
So I'm a Chinese plus Indian.
Oh.
So it is not, that is called what we call as Chindian.
Chindian.
So I'm belongs to Chindian. So
Wow.
Chinese also have relation, Indians also relation. So
Wow.
both are brothers for me.
Okay.
So when I speak both language, it's easy to do business.
Okay.
That's way I'm living here.
Oh, really great. Appreciate it. Thank you. One more thing, Gopi Garu. You said that your kids are studying in Chinese schools, right?
Yes.
So, one small question from my side. Are they okay with English? Are they able to communicate with English? Because actually, as you know, that Chinese people cannot speak perfect English. Is that right?
That means from the basic they are starting studying. They never practice. So up to every Chinese who is studying in Chinese school, they can speak. They cannot speak only. They can understand.
Okay.
Chinese kids, they learn from the beginning. They are learning English, but they have no practice to talk, or the circumstance they don't have in this school and outside also. But almost this is the second generation. After the WTO open, the Chinese started English.
Okay.
Now the almost all company bosses, their son, they can speak good English.
Okay.
They also learn in Chinese only, but they can have the opportunity to learn and
Oh.
talk, communicate.
Okay.
So this generation, 90 kids, they don't have. 200 kids, they know little to understand. Like
Okay.
in India, everybody understand. Hello, I love you, like this.
Yes.
And 2000 kids, everybody can understand. They can read, but they cannot able to talk.
Oh,
But
okay.
2010 kids, they are talking. They have the circumstance now.
Oh.
So they see foreigners say hello, this thing, they are developing.
Oh.
So language need definitely two generation.
Okay.
To same like in India, British they came, need a time to learn English. Same like that. Chinese almost now 60% people they can understand. And
Okay.
also now in future there is no need of language because everything is translating in WeChat,
Yeah.
in the apps itself. When you voice telling itself, it's telling in another language.
Okay.
So I think in future language is not a big difficult in China.
Oh, great. Thank you. Gopi Garu, please can you tell what are the properties you earn in China? Because as we know that you are been since 20 years here. Because my subscribers want to know if we purchase a property in China, it will be leased as we already communicated, right?
Oh, you are
So-
telling about the property.
Yes.
There is no property cannot buy for his whole life like India. It is not belongs to you. The land, water, what are the natural resources all belongs to government in China. So they have a lease for 90 years. This rule started last 30 years before.
Okay.
So 90s they started this rule. So it's have now if you are going to buy means they will give the 70 years lease only. After 70 years what is going to happen still nobody knows, don't know. So that's why still nobody know.
Okay.
They're just buying the place only for living.
Okay. Okay. So you mean to say that the property belongs to government, even we purchase also.
If
Is that
you
right?
purchase also, the properties belongs to you at year of that 70 years.
Okay.
But after that, what happens still we don't know.
Oh, okay. So the period has not yet come.
Yeah,
Now.
when the period comes, we know what will happen.
What the government
Actually,
is going to
what they do before is the old house, like a small house before is there, they are destroying this place. They will give 3 times on that building.
Oh,
If
okay.
it is 100 square meter, they will give 300 square meter.
Oh, okay.
After that, they reduced 200.
Okay.
Now they are giving the equal living place and giving the replace the same place.
Oh,
In the big apartment, giving one apartment. So the rules will change every day, every generation. So we don't know about after 70 years what is going to happen.
okay. So they will live in the present. Is that right?
Yeah, that is the thing.
Okay. So they will not plan the future.
It is not planned the future. They always know what is going to be happen, but this is have another 70 years. Nobody's know. That is the only thing.
Okay. One personal question actually.
Yes.
As you already been an Indian, you also know what is the Indian mentality. As per my understanding, I'm telling you, if I am working in a company, I will do what I will try to purchase a house, saying that this house installments I will be paying throughout my life. As you know that if you're taking a house, we'll be paying approximately around for 10 years, 20 years, it may be like that, right?
yes.
So we will be investing our valuable lifetime by paying the installments for that particular house, thinking that the particular property belongs to my kid after me.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
But in China, it is entirely different because it's totally on lease.
It is not in lease. This place and this, they are not giving the land. Land they are giving to 6. It is a corporate company. Definitely must be have a 6 partner.
Okay.
So they only open this company. On that company, they are selling the land to them,
Okay.
giving the lease to them.
Okay.
So on that place, they are building constructing the building and giving to you. So after that, what is going to the development? It is not 100 years same place is going to be same.
Okay. So they
Now
will,
it's 5-floor building. It's going to be 25-floor building.
okay. So
It is almost after 40 years they are destroying every place.
oh,
Still now no one building longer than 36 years.
okay.
So we are getting double.
Oh,
In my generation itself, I get double.
wow, great.
At the age of 60, I'm old. That time I can get remove this place and constructing a big building and giving a good atmosphere for us. I'm happy.
Oh, very
It
good.
is not I working for my grandson. It is impossible. That
Okay.
is not really practical life.
Okay.
So that's why the Chinese mentality is very practical life.
Okay.
I'm enjoying at the age of 60.
Okay.
So now I have 2 sons. When my house sold, they give 2 apartment means I'm giving 2 sons. I'm happy.
Okay.
What is called life is to happy
Yeah.
today, not for future.
Really appreciate it. Thank you for your best valuable comments. What you said is perfectly true and right. Because actually, as per the Indian mentality, Indian people thinks that they will be thinking about the future generations. But the Chinese people are very, very conscious about the present situation, and I really appreciate for that. And being you are since from 20 years in China, I'm really happy to talk to you. And you have shared a lot of valuable information with us, and I'm really appreciative you. And thank you for giving your valuable interview.
Okay, thank you very much, everybody. Namaste, Vanakkam, Ni hao. And please subscribe Vinod channel and give like to him. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Gopi Garu.
ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, చూసారు కదా మన గోపి గారి ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఎలా ఉందో. సో హీ హాస్ గివెన్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అబౌట్ ద ప్రాపర్టీస్. అది మేజర్ కన్సర్న్, చాలామందికి డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి గోపి గారు 20 years నుంచి ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు, గ్రీన్ కార్డ్ హోల్డర్, ప్రాపర్టీ ఇక్కడ పర్చేస్ చేశారు. సో టోటల్లీ ఆయన పర్సనల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్తోనే మీకు షేర్ చేశారు. కాబట్టి నేను ఇంటర్వ్యూ దీని పర్టికులర్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ గురించి నేను ఎప్పుడు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీకు షేర్ చేయలేదు, అసలు రిలీజ్ ఉంటుందా పర్చేస్ ఉంటుందా అని చెప్పేసి. సో గోపి గారు మీకు షేర్ చేశారు. ఐ హోప్ చాలా మంది డౌట్స్ మొత్తం క్లియర్ అయిపోయి ఉంటాయి అని చెప్పి నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీకు కనుక ఈ వీడియో కనుక నచ్చితే ప్లీజ్ మన ఛానల్ లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికీ మన వీడియోస్ని షేర్ చేసి మన ఛానల్ని సపోర్ట్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, బై బై, హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.